Hi friends, I hope all of you verified. Today topic was how to understand book when we are reading. If you don't, if you don't know the 12 sentence and implementation rules, then you should not understand even single line also in proper meaning. Suppose you don't suppose you take the one sentence, you did not know the tenses and active passive voice syntaxes. You cannot define with this sentence which line this sentence which this line this sentence is which is referred to which tense or which positive voice you cannot identify. Then you did not understand the proper meaning of the sentence. Suppose you take the one sentence. If your sentence is represents if sentence is written in if sentence is written in if a sentence is written in present perfect, you should determine the how to apply the implementation rules to it. Then after you can understand the proper meaning of the sentence. Suppose if you take a sentence that is the sentence is past perfect. Past perfect means subject plus V2 plus object. This is sentence. If you sentence is this in this form, then you go to the implementation rules. Past perfect sentence is in the form. Implementation rules was past habits. Past regular past habits. Suppose yesterday you ate a mango. This is the past perfect tense. Simple past. The implementation rules of simple past tense. Yesterday completed actions or past completed actions. And this means you already completed that action. This type of meaning, the sentence is referred to the sentence. Suppose if you take another sentence, you go to the next line. The next line is in the form of present perfect tense. Present perfect means just now completed actions and past habits without replacing time. Without replacing means, suppose if a action is doing past but it did not specify specific time. Suppose yesterday or day 1 year ago or 1 hour ago, we did not mention. This time we can use this present perfect tense. And this also like same. This also like same past passive as use. Passive as also you can determine. Suppose the book is written in English. This means book subject object takes the action by subject. First write the object, then after object takes the action from by the anything, something, subject or any subject something, English something, a writer or a student writes in English. This type of implementation rules you have to find. Then also first of how to learn this, how to easily read this 12 sentence and 8 passive voice. How to remember? First of all, you take the notebook. You can write the 12 sentence syntaxes and by heart that syntaxes. Then one day, then after you go to the implementation rules. For that, you have to go to the implementation rules to the any YouTube channel or any other any other chat GPT, you can ask the implementation rules of the tool. Suppose your sentence, you can identify when you read the new book, you can identify the news, you can identify the lines which form of the line is present in which form of the line is present in this present in the which sentence. Then you have to implement rules. Implement rules, the full meaning of the sentence is we can identify. This way you can understand the book reading. Suppose you can also use the chat GPT. You did not find the even line, you can ask the chat GPT, copy that line and paste in chat GPT. Ask the please give me the sentence for this line, which form in this line in this sentence, which is this sentence, which sentence represents to which sentence, and reason for the implementation, the reason for the why this should sentence only write in this sentence. This type of questions you ask in ChatGPT. ChatGPT tells clearly. This clearly tells this is in the form, and the sentence implemented